Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix a crack rims. Today we have Suzuki 18-inch rims. You have a small crack right here. You see it, and is causing the tire to leak. Sometimes if it's too expensive for you to go to the welding shop to get a weld, I don't know what they charge, between $50 to $100 or $125, and you go to a dealership and they charge you like $400 or $500 for new rims, and yeah, you can't afford it. This is what you go get. This is JB Weld. Is a kit. What you do is mix these two together on a cardboard. After you clean the rim, clean it pretty good, sand it or get you a wide grinder and clean it up pretty good and mix it up. What I do, I mix the two together and directly to the spot what it need to be fixed. So on that condition, I'm gonna just show you how I used it. You can use a Q-tip if you have one. In my condition, I don't have a Q-tip right now, so I'm using this piece of paper, which is I already did the rim from the inside. This is the inside. This is what it looks like. Allow this product to dry before put the tires back on to make it works like it should. You can read the description behind the pack that comes with this product. It'll tell you how long it takes to dry. So right now, this is what I'm doing. Usually it takes, some of them it takes 30 minutes, some of them it takes an hour, some of them, me, I just let it sit down for a whole day to make sure it is dry and get hard as possible. If you have any questions or concern about this product, give me a call. I use this product all the time. I never have no problem. I never have no customers came back and say it's not working. Now this product only works when if it's a small crack. If it's a big one, you're gonna have to get a weld or replace the rims. Thanks for watching.